guys, it's Jacqueline from SolFood Collective, bringing you all things vegan and ways to live a healthy, holistic lifestyle. Today I'll be making an Asian salad with a delicious sesame ginger dressing. So many things in this salad: bell peppers, cabbage, cucumber, carrots, celery, avocado, oranges. It's gonna be yummy. Let's get started. We have our delicious spread here, so let's get started. I'm just going to move these guys over. This is going to be a very healthy salad. Let's start with our cabbage, okay? I just took a head of cabbage and lopped a piece off. You can kind of cut it however you want, however big of slices that you want here. I'm just going to do this, okay? That's even too much. I am making a salad for one. Feel free to, do the math on this for however many people you want to do this for. Okay, I'm actually just gonna set this inside because as you can see, that was plenty. Put that off to the side. I will probably only need about a half of a carrot. I'm gonna cut lengthwise. Cut again. I just want little bite-sized pieces of carrot, but I can certainly cut it like this. Some bite-sized. Carrot is really great for you. It is full of beta carotene. It's great for vision. It's great to help fight cancer. It boosts the immune system. Carrots are excellent for you. So I'm just going to put that over here. The red cabbage, I will say, great to help fight cancer, great for weight loss. Purple cabbage has so many nutrients in it. It is full of antioxidants, great to help fight cancer. This is a very powerful cruciferous vegetable. Then I have a little English cucumber here. I like it because compared to regular cucumbers, you can keep the skin on because it's not super bitter. And you see that the seeds are very, very, very tiny. So you don't get those big seeds in there. So you can actually just eat it as is. Great to detox the body. It is 95% water, so it's great for hydration. That's why a lot of times at a spa, you do see it in spa water. I'm going to add a little bit of celery. I love adding celery to pretty much anything and everything. There's so much nutrition in celery. It's really great for the bones. It's great for brain function. It adds a nice little crunch to everything. Celery is amazing. I try to eat it every single day. So let's add some celery in there. Our salad's getting so nice and full. Okay, we did the carrot. Bell pepper. I'm just going to use a little tiny bit of this bell pepper. So out of all of the bell peppers, red is the most nutritious because it stays on the vine a little bit longer and it's able to reach its full potential of nutrients. Okay, so as you can see, this is just for one person, so I'm using just like a quarter of everything. You can scale it to however many people. If you're serving 4, I would use a whole pepper. I would use a whole carrot. I would have used that whole chunk of cabbage. Okay. So red bell peppers, they are really, really great, full of vitamins and minerals. Definitely add those to your diet. Okay. And then I want to add a little bit of avocado. I'll probably just use a half, although I try to eat an avocado a day. And I'm just going to scoop that up. I'll place that right in the center there. Okay. No pepper left behind, no cabbage left behind. Okay, now for my oranges. I just bought an orange. You can use mandarin oranges. I just had some fresh oranges from the farmer's market, so I'm going to use those. Oranges have a ton of vitamin C, which are great to boost the immune system. They add a really nice citrus flavor to this otherwise savory and spicy dish. I am going to add some edamame. Edamame is a great source of protein. It is so delicious. I love edamame. I am also, how did that get in there? No pepper left behind. I am going to add some cashews. These are just raw cashew pieces. Feel free to get roasted if you would like. I'm going to add them, I guess let's put those right here. This is getting to be quite a full salad, you guys. Okay. And there's our cashews. I'm going to add a little bit more over here as well. Divide that up. Okay. So there you have it. Now it's time to make our dressing. How delicious does that look? Ooh, okay. Let's make our dressing. For the dressing, start with a mason jar. This is what you're going to use to put the dressing in. Get a clove of garlic. If you want more garlic, add it. I definitely wouldn't leave it out of the recipe. This is about a half of a teaspoon, so this is very light on the garlic. I will probably add more, but just know that when you taste it, if you want more garlic, you can add it. Okay? Then you take a little nub of your ginger here. I just broke a piece off. It's all dependent on how much ginger you like. This is probably about an inch. This is about an inch of ginger. And I'm just going to finely chop it. I don't mind biting into chunks of ginger. So chop it accordingly. But I cut it lengthwise and then I cut it lengthwise again so it looks like that. And I'm just going to give it another nice rough chop. Ginger is so good for you. It's great for digestion. It's really, really good to soothe your belly. It's a great antimicrobial to help fight cold and flu. There are so many great to lower inflammation. Ginger is just really good for you across the board. Try to get as much of this in my diet as possible as well. Okay? So there goes our ginger. Alrighty, now for the good stuff. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. I just have the Trader Joe's kind. Feel free to get whatever kind that you like. Then we're going to add our soy sauce, tamari, or liquid aminos. I prefer liquid aminos over soy sauce. Less sodium and way healthier for you because it does contain 16 amino acid, which are crucial for our bodies to function. So we add 3 tablespoons. I personally love mine to have more of a soy flavor, so I'll probably add more like 5 tablespoons, or let's just call it a 1/4 cup. And I'm all out. I have to go buy some. And then you want to add your rice vinegar. You want about 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Just got mine at Trader Joe's. And you want a little bit of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Now, after you make this, you're going to want to shake it and taste it and see what it's missing and what you want to add. I'm not adding any salt to this because the liquid aminos are very, very salty. Now we just need a little bit of orange juice, about 2 tablespoons full. I should have squeezed fresh oranges because I have them, and I just now thought about that, but a little too late. Okay? Now, give it a nice good shake. You can just shake it for, I don't know, 10, 15 seconds. Now let's try it. Perfect. Now to top it off, I am going to sprinkle, you always want to cut those ends off. You can actually replant these and it'll sprout some more onion. I'm going to add some green-tailed onion, my favorite. You want to peel off that little end just like that. Okay. Give it a nice chop. Onions, these are very potent onions. I love these guys. But onions are really great in fighting cancer. And you hear me say that a lot because so often we eat unhealthy things. Our bodies are full of toxins, environmental toxins that we can't really control. And those cancer switches can get turned on pretty easily. So we always want to feed our body vegetables and fruits that are full of antioxidants to get rid of all of those toxins out of the body so we don't get disease, heart disease, cancer, diabetes, whatever it is. These are the things that are going to help prevent that. So I'm just going to take these and sprinkle it over the top like so. Okay. I'm going to drizzle some of my dressing on now. Oh, this looks amazing, you guys. Okay, let's try this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Where do I begin? That dressing though. Okay, ready? Here we go. Insanely healthy, insanely good. I love eating raw. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Let's get some of that orange on there. I'm gonna finish eating this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to cook something else for you soon. Bye. Thank you.